In this video, we will show you how to add Request a Code button in WordPress. This will enable the visitors to place custom code requests for products on your online store. We will use the B2B King plugin to achieve this. B2B King is a powerful wholesale plugin with lots of bulk selling features. You can get B2B King from the link in this video's description. Without further ado, let's start. For this tutorial, we will be using the official B2B King demo access. As you can see, this is the demo website. After you go to your dashboard, what you're going to do is hover your mouse over B2B King and click on Dynamic Rules. We're going to create a dynamic rule that applies for all the products on your website, and it will also work on the bulk order form. So we're going to click on Create New Rule. And first, we will have to add a title to this rule. So let's add a title. After adding in your title, we are going to go to the rule type and click on this drop-down, scroll down, and select Replace Cart with Code System. Once you select that, you'll have only one option over here for who this system is going to apply for. You can either choose all registered users, all registered B2B users, all registered B2C users, all guest users. You can also select multiple options. You can also select specific B2B groups, such as small businesses, large businesses, resellers, VIP, etc. If you don't have these B2B groups, you can go to Groups under B2B King and create new groups. You can also apply for individual users. We are going to select all registered users. Now we are going to click on the Publish button over here. Okay, so our rule has been published. Now if we visit our store and then click on a product, you can see that here the Add to Cart button has been replaced with Add to Code Request. So if we add it, and then let's add some more product. Then if we click on View Basket, we don't see the price anywhere. We only have to click on Request Custom Code and then add in our message, and this will be sent to the site owner or the admin, and they can go back and forth with the conversation and come up with a final price. Now let's remove all these items. Now let's go to the wholesale order form or the bulk order form and see if this is working there. And now you can see in the subtotal column, we cannot see the price anymore. We are seeing code. All right. Now, even if we click on Add to Code, it will be added to the code. Great. Now, if we click on code over here, it's going to bring us over here. We cannot see the price. We are going to click on Request Custom Code, and we have to make our own custom code over here. So let's go ahead and leave a message. So for now, we're not mentioning any price. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just making a simple request and clicking on Send Custom Request. And now we can wait for the message. So if we go back to the dashboard, the users will be able to see, or the seller will be able to see a new custom request. If we click on Edit, you can see the message is over here, and the seller will be able to send a message, and the buyer and seller can message back and forth and come up with a quotation or a price. So that is how you can add the custom code request button on your bulk order form and also hide the prices from the bulk order form at the same time. Now, if you are wondering what about guests or non-registered users, all right? Because our dynamic rule applies for all registered users. For non-registered users or guest users, it's really easy. You just simply go to the settings section, and from here, just click on Access Restriction tab. And here you'll find the Guest Access Restriction section. Head over here and select this Replace Prices with a Request a Code button. And then click on this button to save your changes, and the prices will be replaced with the Request a Code button from guest users as well. So basically, that was our tutorial. That is how you can hide your prices and replace Add to Cart button with the Request a Code button. And if you want to get B2B King, there are two types of plan: annual and lifetime plans. The annual plan has 3 of these plans. So as you can see, the starter plan is available for $249.50, but with the 25% discount today, it's available for $179. And the other plans, such as the Pro and Developer, these also have a discount for today. You can get it at a discounted price. If you want, you can also get lifetime plans as well. Purchasing any of these plans will give you 139 plus features, monthly updates, and premium supports. The other 2 plans, such as the Pro and Developer, gives you even more features such as company credit add-on, Dokkan add-on, WCFM add-on, and backend white label. If you want to get B2B King, you can check the video description for a link. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.